Is one of your goals this year to be more productive, do more, and basically be a productivity machine? After researching for years on productivity, I'm gonna tell you why it is that you are failing and also give you a productivity secret that you needed to know well before you made a productivity system. We're not that different. Before, I was the same, scrolling through YouTube and books while searching for the perfect solution to my problems and my productivity system. Then I realized a very important thing. That was the magical concept of universal solution, which is a scam. But productivity, it is not a scam, because that has made my life way lot easier. It is managed. I know exactly what to do, when to do, and how to differentiate my time. When you think about the universal solution, it's a scam because one size doesn't fit all. Let me give you an example. There are 5 people and they all get the same shoes with same size, same color, and same design. 5 people have different shoe sizes. They have different shape in the feet. They like different preferences. They like different colors. So the shoe doesn't fit them, right? The same with the productivity system. The productivity system you're trying to apply from all this productivity videos and books are the productivity system that worked for them. And yes, 80% of them do fail in less than a week, but 20% of them do succeed. And when you see these people telling you that the productivity system works, it is because they are the 20% of the people that have actually made it work. But are we gonna depend on luck to find that 20% of productivity system in this channel? Yeah, we are impatient. We are gonna find out on solution that is gonna work 90 to 100% of the time. So with that, I'll give you a 4-step method to find the perfect productivity system. Step number 1, self-realization. So open your docs or Word or any notepad that you use. These 3 questions down. What are your core values? Are you an early bird or a night owl? And what truly matters to you? You write these 3 questions down, you answer it. As you can see on my screen, there is an example. Let's say for now, my core value would be to make my body better, right? So I am an early bird or a night owl. I am an early bird. So what truly matters to you right now? My personal development and my physical transformation matters to me. I want to be in or lose 10 pounds, okay? Step number 2, we are gonna set aims and objectives. With first number, we have set the foundation, we have created the base. Now, what we are gonna do next is we are going to define our objectives. How we are going to define our goals is by using SMART goals. What is a SMART goal? Is it a clever way of setting goals? Yes, but it is also a formula to setting your goals, making it more achievable. So how do we do that? We are going to divide it into 5 parts. As you can see the box in here, every letter in the SMART word is represented by some meaning. So S for strength, M for measurable, A for achievable, R for relevant, and T for time bound. So let's say our goal is, for example, losing or gaining 10 pounds in 6 months or 3 months of time. So what are our strength? I can go to the gym for 3 weeks in a row. What is measurable? Yes, I want to lose 10 or gain 10 pounds, right? Attainable? What is attainable? Is it attainable? Yes, with consistency and hard work, it is attainable. Is it relevant to what truly matters to you? Yes, what truly matters to me was I want to get physically fit. So yes, it is relevant to my goals, to my foundation. And now, time bound, we have to set a deadline. So 3 to 6 months. We have 3 to 6 months to complete this task. So this is a very vast topic. If you need a breakdown on the SMART goals, comment down below. Now moving on to the next step. Now we have the blueprints and requirements. Now next is we need the tools and system to build it. So okay, this is the fun part. With every builder, a great builder needs a perfect systematic approach and a tool to build a masterpiece. So for your masterpiece, choosing the right tool and a system is very important. So in this part, I want you to concentrate and listen very carefully. Productivity system is a vast term. If you say like, I want to be productive, that doesn't mean anything. You need to be concise to the point. I want my life to be productive. I want my project to be productive. I want my people I manage to be productive. I want my finance to be productive. I want my health to be more productive. And there are many more. So each of these categories have different systems and tools to manage it. For example, time management, we can see about a famous time boxing and Pomodoro techniques, right? Those are the systems that can be used for time management. Project management, we can use Para or Trident, right? Life management, you can also use Para in that. So there are different tools and systems. I personally use Notion and Obsidian as my tool and use Para for my project management and Pomodoro for my time management, right? So if you break this down into categories of productivity life into categories, this will make it more variable. So with that, for easier access to kickstart your research, I have mentioned some of the categories and their systems down here in the description. You can check it out. So now the step number 4, the most important step, or modification and evolution. So what is the term evolution? A process of gradual change that takes place over generations, but we don't have generations to complete this, and lucky for us, we don't need to. We can use the MTA method. So what is the MTA method? MTA method is make a system, test it out, and adapt. So you can rinse and repeat it. If you need the steps or layout, you can find it down in the description below. Until next time.